I was touched by sa tatay ko. Sorry, nagkaroon tuloy ng politika. Pasensya na. That's of a father. Huh? O, Charis, kamukha mo daddy mo, ha? Ang lolo mo, ha? Sabi ng dad. Alam niyo, ganyan ang daddy ko eh. Tsaka ang mami ko kami po lahat ay very close. Every Sunday po, hindi pwedeng may trabaho. As a family, lahat ng meetings wala, and we have our lunch together. Up to now. Alam nyo, tama ito eh. This is a gathering about great is thy faithfulness. Sa totoo lang, I'm always guided by this. Always. It's about faith in whatever things you do. Our family has been through a lot. Tama po si Brother Jimmy. I have been a counselor, a mayor. I have been a Metro Manila congressman, MMDA chairman, and that was the time of COVID. Yung panahon ng COVID, mabigat po yun because you have to balance life and business in the economy. Magsasarado ka ba o hindi? Lockdown ka ba o hindi? And then I became a DILG secretary. Marami yung hamon, I will tell you. Napakaraming hamon. That's why I think I always read this verse. The Lord is good. He is your refuge in times of trouble.
Wow.
Every time may problema ako, I always call out to my mom, to my daughter, and of course, the dear Lord. Hindi ko kaila sa inyo, ako po'y nagmamadali, maaga akong kinasal. I got married at the age of 21, then turning 22.
Wow.
Nanonood ako noon ng beauty contest, nakita ko yung Miss Cavite, dinate ko kagad sa Jollibee. At ayun po, medyo napaaga. At nagpaalam ako sa magulang ko, sabi ko, Dad, pag-aralin mo ako ng 3 years ng law school, magiging abogado ko after 3 years. Pero mo, anak ko si Charis, kambal po yan eh. Dalawa sila. Sabi ko, bumili ka na rin ng kasama mo na. But after 3 years, I will be a lawyer. Hindi na ako manghihingi ng pera, lisin ko sa iyo. Nagawa ko naman. Nagawa ko. I became a lawyer at the age of 25. I became, at that time, the youngest city mayor in Metro Manila.
Wow.
And then I became an MMDA. Parang hindi po ako nagmamadali. Ganun po ako. Pero, marami rin nangyaring hamon. Alam po nila Pastor Bonya, kaya nakita ko yung mga pastor, sabi ko, it's growing old with them. At tama pong tatay ko, if there's one thing about our dear pastors, that's why it has been a good relationship. Ang sinasabi nila, kung nagkakamali ka, sana we are praying, malaman mo pagkakamali mo at baguhin mo ang ginawa. It's always like that.